Hello everyone and welcome to today's assembly.
Hello!
Let's start with our song, reminding us we're looking in the Bible. Let's open the book.
Let's open the book and take a look. You never know just what you're gonna find. Let's open the book and take a look. Hurry, hurry, don't get left behind. Let's open the book and take a look. You never know just what you're gonna find. Let's open the book and take a look. Hurry, hurry, don't get left behind.
Do you remember that nasty King Pharaoh in Egypt? All the things God had to do to persuade him to let the Israelites go. The plagues of frogs, flies, and the darkness. And then he let them go. They went through the Red Sea with the king chasing them behind. Just as they thought there was no hope, God told Moses to raise his stick and the waters crashed down. And they were through the Red Sea. Well, sometime later, there was a chance to go and take the promised land. But it wasn't going to be Moses doing it. No, he asked Joshua to lead the people. And let's see what happened when they reached the city of Jericho.
Don't forget what I've done for you. This red rope will mark this house. Don't forget. Well, God, I've done it now. I've lied to my own people and hidden those Israelite spies from the soldiers. Come to think of it, I'm surprised how easily the soldiers believed me. Was that your doing, Lord? Who are these Israelites anyway? They came from Egypt from being slaves, crossed the Red Sea on dry ground. Everyone who's heard of the things they've done is quaking with fear. I've heard they're going to take over this land. They've taken over other cities before ours. But who am I supposed to fear most? These people and their God? Or my own people and the trouble that I could get into if they found out what I've done? Okay, God. I'll leave this rope here because I trust you. I trust you to keep me safe. So you better be real. And I've no idea how you're going to bring this city down, seeing as the walls are rock solid.
Day 7 in Big Sister's house. The Israelites have walked past the window for the 6th time.
Shut up! I'm regretting bringing you, Mum, Dad, and the rest of the family round here. I can't move. But that's what the spies told me to do. Only the people in my house will be saved from the Israelites when they attack.
Did the spies mention trumpets and an army walking around the wall each day for a week in silence?
Well, no, but...
We tried to make her go to rehab, but she said no, no, no.
You may think I'm crazy, but look, I'm trusting their God, and if you stay here, their God will keep us safe. But look, if you want to leave Big Sister's house, then just go now.
I might just do that.
What's that?
Rahab, quickly, come now with your family.
Quick, before it's too late.
After Moses died, Joshua became the new leader. It was time for the Israelites to enter the land God had promised to Abraham many years before. They had to get past Jericho first, and its walls were huge. Things looked impossible, but God brought the walls down. In our lives, there are many big obstacles or problems in the way. God is able to break those walls down and remove the obstacle out of the way. With God on our side, we can face any difficult situation.
We're going to pray now, and if you'd like to join us, please do so. Otherwise, just sit quietly. Dear God, we know you can do anything. You can help us with the things that frighten and worry us. Please help us like you helped Joshua. Amen.
We're going to sing our song now, so perhaps you'd like to join in with the actions as we sing.
Be strong, be strong, be strong, be strong, and very courageous. Be strong, be strong, be strong, be strong. Take courage, my friend. Be strong, be strong, be strong, be strong, and very courageous. Be strong, be strong, be strong, be strong. Take courage, my friend. Don't be afraid. God is with you. Don't be afraid. He's by your side. Don't be afraid. God is with you. He's with you wherever you go. Be strong, be strong, be strong, be strong, and very courageous. Be strong, be strong, be strong, be strong. Take courage, my friend. Be strong, be strong, be strong, be strong, and very courageous. Be strong, be strong, be strong, be strong. Take courage, my friend. Don't be afraid. God is with you. Don't be afraid. He's by your side. Don't be afraid. God is with you. He's with you wherever you go. He's with you wherever you go.
Thank you for being with us today. We hope to see you again very soon.
Bye.
Bye. Goodbye.